Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to another episode of CryptoJet, where I supply you with the most quick and concise reviews on the market. Now we're doing these from the technical standpoint, and as always we're doing top-down analysis, so let's get right into Litecoin, the coin of this week. Now let me just remind you, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, you know the drill. So let's move straight on. We can see Litecoin, it was in an uptrend. I've already plotted out a few things that are important right now. So obviously it's not as important to be looking at the left side of the graph as it is in the very more recent times, right? But some things that we do have to notice is zones of support and resistance. These are the most important things that should factor into your short or long-term investments based on the technical analysis. So we have a strong support down here around the $100 mark, so $120 mark, whatever. We have another one obviously at the $100 mark because it's a psychologically important level, as well as the $200 or $220 mark because it's also a psychologically important level. Now, something that I do notice is that we have this huge drop on 19th of May 2021, which represents a very clean candle. So what happens if the price actually does break out right here? So if it breaks this high, we can label it right here. If it breaks this high of this candle right here, it is very likely that price is going to continue up until the end of this candle until we see the next level of resistance, right? So that's something to keep in mind, but having in mind that the price is actually currently a lot lower down around the $140 mark, we're going to move on to the lower time frame to see what we can spot on this time frame. So we can see a downtrend at the moment, which I would assume if we are expecting a reversal, so if we expect the price to start moving bullish rather than bearish, we're going to have to see a break of this downtrend. So how is this going to look? We're just going to see somewhat of a movement like this, perhaps a retracement into the next zone of support. So this zone right here is acting as resistance at the moment, but if we break out of it and then retest it, it will act as a zone of support if buyers hold strong enough. And then obviously we can continue to make higher highs and higher lows as we have been until now. So we can see somewhat of a very nice uptrend forming. So what we're looking for at the moment is a strong bullish candle breaking this downtrend to confirm that we will actually be going upwards from now on. Once we see that candle, we can begin to invest on the short term, but obviously in the long term, whatever price you buy in, whether it's right here, whether it's, you know, here, it's all a 10% difference, and it really doesn't matter if Litecoin ends up going to the, you know, 3 digits, high 3 digits, maybe even 4-digit numbers later on. So that will be it for today. Let's just move on to the daily. You have a clean picture right here. We are, well, I want to mention as well that we're going to be looking very bullish, and it's going to be a very nice sign if the price actually does break out of this area right here and begin to consolidate in this upper zone. So anywhere in this zone, if we start seeing a consolidation, is going to be a bullish indicator. And obviously we've been in this sort of consolidation or downtrend or correction for the past 2 months, and currently I'm seeing more and more coins actually beginning to show signs of a strong reversal, particularly Ethereum, but obviously everything will follow Ethereum as it starts moving bullish. Thank you guys for joining in for another one, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.